Have you ever wondered if there are plants out there that eat insects and small animals? Well, it's time to introduce you to the intriguing world of carnivorous plants. These aren't the fantastical creations of a science fiction writer's imagination, but real, living organisms. They've evolved in such a way that they derive some or even most of their nutrients from trapping and consuming animals or protozoans, typically insects and other arthropods. Yes, you heard it right, there are plants that feast on insects. These carnivorous plants employ a variety of ingenious traps to catch their unsuspecting prey. Let's delve into this fascinating world. Pitfall traps, like those of the exotic pitcher plant, lure insects with sweet nectar into a deep cavity from which there is no escape. Flypaper traps, on the other hand, use sticky surfaces to ensnare their victims. A prime example is the sundew, with its captivating dew-like droplets. Snap traps, as seen in the iconic Venus flytrap, close rapidly when triggered by an unsuspecting insect. Bladder traps, like those of the bladderwort, create a vacuum to suck in tiny aquatic creatures. Finally, lobster pot traps, like the corkscrew plant, direct prey down a one-way, spiraling path. These plants are truly marvels of evolution, don't you think? But why have these plants turned carnivorous in the first place? Well, often found in nutrient-poor soils, especially deficient in nitrogen, these plants have had to adapt. They've turned to capturing and digesting prey to supplement their nutritional needs. So these plants have adapted to their harsh environments in a rather unexpected and fascinating way. The world of carnivorous plants is full of surprises and fascinating facts, isn't it? We've journeyed through the intriguing predators of the plant world, marveled at their ingenious traps, and pondered why these green wonders turned carnivorous. The more we learn, the more we realize the amazing diversity of life on our planet. If you found this information interesting and want to learn more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay connected, and see you in our next video.